Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by recognizing sentence purpose and choosing the right mark. Use a period for a full statement, a question mark for direct questions, and commas to list items or set off intros. Once you identify clauses, place commas to clarify meaning rather than clutter sentences. Make sure apostrophes show possession or contractions only, avoid them for simple plurals. Start applying these basic rules to one paragraph, then move sentence by sentence to build consistent punctuation habits that immediately improve clarity. Once comfortable with basics, you tackle semicolons and colons to connect ideas more precisely. Use a semicolon between related independent clauses when you want a closer link than a period. Use a colon to introduce a list or explain a preceding clause. Parentheses and dashes add asides or emphasis. Choose dashes for abrupt breaks and parentheses for supplemental info. Make sure quotation marks enclose exact wording, and commas go inside quotes in standard style. Practice by revising 3. You finish by proofreading with a focus checklist. Read aloud to hear pauses and find missing commas or misplaced periods. Once done, check for run-on sentences and comma splices. Fix them with periods, semicolons, or conjunctions. Make sure modifiers attach clearly to the words they describe. If things go wrong, try replacing problem punctuation with a period to split the sentence. This clarifies meaning and reveals whether a semicolon or comma was correct. Then apply consistent style choices across the document.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.